So as a mom, I'm always looking for little projects that I can do with my kids. And that's why I love to make these little Halloween masks. They can kind of, it comes with everything we need. It has paint, we have some beard, and the mask itself.
Mommy,
and the glitter and everything. And as you can hear, my kids are really ready to go. This was gifted me from the brand, but as always I would get my ask for you. So what I love too, we do get plenty of these masks, and they do have ties so that they're easy for my kids to put on. These are ready for paint, which they're super excited.
I just opened it.
Yeah. As you can see, my kids are so excited. We do have some glitter gems and some stickers. We have more gems. We have little furry pieces and a bunch of felt that you can kind of put it all together. My kids are going to work on these, and I will show you in the end. So as you can see too, my little ones are busy working on it, and they're having a ton of fun. Just to give you some context too, my kids are almost 4 and 2.5. So they're busy having a ball. So if you're looking for a project, especially around Halloween time, this is definitely the one. The paint goes on super well. I didn't have any issues with it being dried out or anything. The paint is brand new. And it's almost a cardboard material for the mask. So I found that it really kind of goes on very easily. So if you're looking for one, this is definitely a win.